In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your taillight bulb on a Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. The first thing you're going to have to do is push the trunk liner a little bit back so you get access to the bulb. You're going to need a flathead to remove the plastic clips. For this kind of clip, you're going to have to fully screw it off and then you can remove the plastic clip. If you would like, you could remove more than one plastic clip to give you more access, but you could just remove this one clip and it should be enough to get the bulb out. To get the bulb out, you could remove the wire, but it's not necessary. You could just twist it off like I did. So you twist it to the left and then it gives you access to the bulb. And to take off the bulb from it, you just pull it out. To put it back in, you just align it and just clip it in until you hear a little click. Put it into the socket, you just align it and twist it to the right. The bottom light is your turn signal light and your hazards light. Now you can start putting the trunk liner back into place. Try to get the hole to align with the liner as much as you can, and then put the first plastic piece in, and then you can start screwing in the other plastic piece. The last step is just to put the weather gasket over the liner.